SADC leaders gather in Madagascar for 45th Summit. Mnangagwa hands over chairmanship. By online reporter Vertical Bar, the 17th of August 2025, the Southern African Development Community, SADC, entered a defining chapter today as leaders convened at the Avato Conference Center in Antananarivo, Madagascar, for the 45th Summit of Heads of State and Government. The meeting, running under the theme, Advancing Industrialization, Agricultural Transformation, and Energy Transition for a Resilient SADC, is expected to shape the economic and political direction of the bloc as it confronts pressing challenges of development, peace, and sustainability. Zimbabwe's President Emmerson Mnangagwa, who has served as SADC chairperson for the past year, arrived in Madagascar on Saturday and was officially welcomed by senior Malagasy officials and SADC representatives. On his official X handle, the president reiterated the need for the region to remain united in tackling shared problems, saying, "Our agenda is clear: industrialization, agricultural transformation, and inclusive energy transition, building a resilient and united SADC." During the official proceedings, President Mnangagwa formally handed over the SADC chairmanship to Madagascar's President Andry Rajoelina, marking the end of a term that many regional observers have described as highly eventful. Mnangagwa's chairmanship will be remembered for strengthening regional cooperation, particularly in relation to peace efforts in the Democratic Republic of Congo, DRC. His leadership saw SADC working closely with the East African Community, EAC, to merge the Luanda and Nairobi peace processes into one unified African-led framework, part of the African Union's Silencing the Guns initiative. Presidential spokesperson George Charamba praised Zimbabwe's contribution, noting that under Mnangagwa's leadership, the region made notable progress in addressing instability in eastern DRC. Inside the conference hall, delegates and heads of state settled for a packed program that began with cultural performances and formal introductions, followed by keynote addresses. Several leaders, including Botswana's new president Duma Boko, Mozambique's President Daniel Chapo, Namibia's President Netumbo Nandi-Ndaitwah, and Mauritius Prime Minister Navin Chandra Ramgoolam delivered their maiden speeches. In his remarks, Botswana's Boko urged unity. "We need each other desperately. Let us focus on wrestling with the challenges that continue to bedevil our continent." Namibia's President Nandi-Ndaitwah reaffirmed her nation's solidarity with SADC, pledging unwavering commitment to the goals and principles of our regional consensus. Prime Minister Ramgoolam of Mauritius singled out President Mnangagwa for his successful leadership and tireless efforts in advancing regional priorities, while also stressing the need for SADC to remain eternally vigilant in defending democratic values. The SADC Executive Secretary, Elias Magosi, took time to commend the heads of state who traveled to Madagascar, noting the importance of personal presence in regional decision-making. He also praised the sacrifices of the SADC mission in the DRC, SAMIDRC, calling their work a heavy price paid for the peace of the region. The summit also recognized regional excellence through the annual SADC Media Awards, where Zimbabwean journalists KUTYA Hunda and Veronica Guez from Zimpapers walked away with top honors in photography and print categories, respectively. As the summit continues in closed sessions, the focus will remain on deepening regional integration, advancing economic development, and reinforcing peace and security across southern Africa. The handover of the chairperson's badge to President Andry Rajoelina ushers in a new era of leadership, with expectations high that Madagascar will continue driving SADC's agenda towards resilience, growth, and unity.